Hello everyone, welcome to the Sweet Source Canada YouTube channel, and today we're going to be changing out our headlight bulbs on our 1999 Volvo S70. We're going to start off with the driver's side, and it's very simple. The headlight bulb lies right behind this cover, and any P80 Volvo is going to run H7 bulbs. I'm not sure if 850s had anything different, but S70, V70, C70s all run H7 bulbs for the headlights. So we're going to go ahead and turn this cover, push it downwards towards the bottom of the car, like this, turning it to the left if you're facing it this way. Then with that, you're going to see on the cover there's a seal. Then you can make sure that seal stays with it, and the cover will say top right over here, right here, and that's where it's supposed to, when it locks, that's where it's supposed to be, top. So once that's done, it's just like changing most H7 bulbs. You're going to go ahead and first remove the connector. Just be nice and careful because this can be brittle over time and age. And then you got a clip here that you got to depress and then slide out of the grooves like so. Then your bulb, be careful, this might be hot if your car was just on. This one is hot, comes right out very easy like that. These bulbs are still good, like I said, they're just a bit dim. Here's our nice new bulb, and you want to take care to notice this alignment pin that does go right like this into its groove. So when you're putting this in, make sure not to touch the bulb with your fingers. If you do, make sure you clean it off with a rag. Let's go ahead and slide this bulb in. Just like so. Touching the connector doesn't harm anything, so don't worry about that. Now replace the clip back in its spot. There's a groove that it slides into. There we go, that's one. And then I'll do the top one. That's two. I actually had to bend this clip around a little bit just to persuade it to go into its home, and now it's in there nice and firmly. Take the connector, gently plug it in, and that's one installed. Let's grab our cap, and the top is over here. So let's put it back the way we took it out. Now on the cap itself, you're going to try to align these pins where they go to on the light. You'll see some holes here. Not sure if it's catching on camera. Let's try to line this up. There we go. Kind of locks into place. Make sure the bottom is also hooked up, and then it's going to stop right there. Once it stops, that's all. There's no need to tighten it more. That's in place well. So you can see with one bulb in, there's a pretty notable difference. Still remains with a yellowish hue, but a bit wider and clearer. And already just looking at my wall, you can see this one cast a much brighter light. All right guys, now on to the right side. Let's go start that. So the same procedure, turn towards the left. Lefty loosey, righty tighty to take this cap off. Once that's done, carefully remove the connector. Like I said, these get brittle over time, so just be careful. If the plastic does break, you're still okay to use the connector. It just, you'll have less grip. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these clips. This tab right here on the bulb goes upwards, so just line that up correctly. It'll slide right into place when you get it. And then grab your clip and repeat what we did on the left side. Make sure the clip is all the way in, because that's the only thing retaining this bulb in place. You'll see it slides in the grooves, and when you pull on it, it shouldn't come out. Then carefully put on the connector once more. Then take your cap, find the top spot. Make sure the cap is flush with the light. Turn. Make sure the bottom is in its place. And just like that, we're done. And just like that, these bulbs are installed. They're so bright and they look so clear. It actually really cleans up the look of the car. Now when night falls, we're gonna go for a quick drive to see how it looks. So just be advised that with bulbs like this, while they are brighter and they are more powerful and cast more light on the road, they don't last as long as OEM bulbs. Being brighter, filament's gonna burn out faster. It's just the way they're designed. Think of it like sport tires. They grip better, but they will wear out faster, whereas all-season tires don't grip as well, but they last significantly longer, or regular summer tires for that matter. But that's a good analogy just to understand these lights and how long they'll last. But these are looking really good. nice and even now, not one side brighter than the other. So we're gonna go ahead and test drive it shortly. So I decided to quickly take this on a drive, and I'm not sure how well it might be catching on video. I took it to kind of a dark parking lot to see how well it would look. And I don't think I'm catching it too well, but these are really bright. I noticed right away, driving this car, right away I noticed, like, wow, it really does light up the road really well. Now, I would take it more on the street, but most of the roads near my place are not actually dark. They're actually very well lit up. It's kind of a main part of the city, so nothing really is very dark here apart from these random parking lots. But as you can see, even right up against this garage door here, these are some seriously bright lights. When I pulled out of the driveway, I was very impressed how much these lights really do light up the road. The difference is very noticeable. I'd say easily time and a half the light output of the OEM regular bulbs. But these are quite impressive. I'm gonna do a little shot of the outside, but this was a really good upgrade to do. Anyways, everyone, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed the content, and if you guys find it useful, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe. And I'm going to head out. Have a good one, guys. Thank you very much. Goodbye.